Bear Notes versus Apple Notes. Which note-taking app is better? Choosing the right note-taking app can completely change how you organize your thoughts without losing important details. Bear Notes offers markdown flexibility, while Apple Notes shines with seamless Apple ecosystem integration. Bear Notes and Apple Notes are two popular note-taking apps with distinct approaches. Bear Notes focuses on markdown-based writing and tagging, while Apple Notes emphasizes simplicity and deep integration with Apple devices. The core difference lies in customization versus ecosystem connectivity. Bear Notes is a markdown-focused note-taking app designed for users who want a powerful, flexible writing environment. It works by letting you create notes using markdown syntax, which means you can format text quickly and efficiently with headings, lists, links, and more. Notes are organized using tags rather than traditional folders, allowing for dynamic sorting and searching. Bear supports cross-note linking, which makes building a personal knowledge base easy. Its strengths include a clean, distraction-free interface, advanced markdown support, and strong export options like PDF and HTML. However, Bear Notes is currently available only on Apple platforms, limiting access for users on Windows or Android. Also, some features require a subscription. The ideal user is someone who writes extensively, values Markdown for formatting, and prefers a tagging system over folders. Writers, developers, and knowledge workers who want a focused writing tool with powerful organization will find Bear Notes particularly useful. Apple Notes is a built-in note-taking app for iOS and macOS users, designed for simplicity and seamless integration across Apple devices. It allows users to create text notes, checklists, sketches, and even scan documents directly into Notes. Apple Notes syncs effortlessly via iCloud, ensuring your notes are available on iPhone, iPad, and Mac without additional setup. Its strengths lie in its ease of use, native integration with system features like Siri and Spotlight, and support for attachments such as photos and PDFs. Apple Notes also includes collaboration options, letting multiple users edit notes in real time. On the downside, Apple Notes offers limited formatting compared to Markdown-based apps, and its organizational structure relies on folders, which can feel less flexible than tagging. It's best suited for users deeply embedded in the Apple ecosystem who want quick, reliable note-taking without extra complexity. Casual note-takers and those who prioritize accessibility and simplicity over advanced formatting will appreciate Apple Notes. Comparing Bear Notes and Apple Notes highlights distinct trade-offs. Bear Notes excels in Markdown formatting and tagging, making it ideal for users who write long-form content or manage complex notes with links and tags. Its interface is minimal and distraction-free, but it's limited to Apple devices and may require a subscription for full features. Apple Notes offers effortless syncing across all Apple devices with multimedia support and collaboration tools, perfect for quick notes, checklists, and shared projects. However, it lacks advanced formatting and flexible organization options. For example, a writer who needs structured, linked notes may prefer Bear Notes. Meanwhile, someone who wants fast, accessible notes across iPhone and Mac with multimedia support and simple folders will find Apple Notes more practical. The decision depends on whether you prioritize Markdown power or ecosystem convenience. Choose Bear Notes if you need advanced Markdown formatting, flexible tagging, and a distraction-free writing environment within the Apple ecosystem. Apple Notes is the better choice for users seeking simple, reliable note-taking with seamless syncing, multimedia support, and collaboration across Apple devices. It's perfect for everyday use and quick organization without the need for complex formatting or tagging systems.